How to change the clock icon on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you 2 ways on how to change the default clock icon. Now before you can do this, just make sure you're running iOS 26 or above. And as long as your phone is fully up to date, we can go and head over to the home screen and then just go and locate your clock. Now what you need to do is hold your finger down on the clock like so. You could then click on this second icon in the list. And that's the first way to change the appearance of the clock icon. Now, if you want to customize this further, you can hold your finger down on the home screen, select Edit in the top left-hand side, and then press Add Widget. Click on the search box and type in clock, and go and select the clock from the list. You can then scroll through all of the different customization options, and once you've found the clock you like, press Add Widget. So as you can see, we now have 2 clocks on the home screen. So what you can do is you can hold down on the original clock, and you can just press Remove Widget, and then you can press Remove so you're left with one singular clock.